What's up guys, it's your boy John. We are back again here with another video. Today we'll be taking a look at the Tesla Model Y, and now we have the 19-inch Gemini wheels, which is really good for efficiency, but I really don't like the look of it, so it's not bad. It's just a little too silvery for me. So one of my favorite design styles is keeping it OEM right now. Want the efficiencies? Check out these ones from EV Base. These are kind of modeled off the Tempest wheels for the Model S. And the reason why I like these is because, well, it's two-tone, so it gives it a little bit more styling rather than just having it matte. So compared to the other ones that look too kind of plastic to me, the gloss makes it a little bit more elegant, which is what I really like. What's really cool about these things is to remove them. I'll do it right here. All you have to do is just pull and you just yank it out, the aero cap. Remove the little protector for the little center hub. Line up the valve stem right here. So you line it up here, then you press it on, and it's held by clips. So you line up the thing, and voila, we are done. So I'm really happy with this look, and I've been driving it for the last 2 weeks round trip. I actually have really good efficiency, and I was able to beat my brother who has the Juniper 2026 with his wheels. So these things are slick, and you can kind of tell they're a lot more efficient because more of it's covered off. I still have the red calipers showing, so if that's something you like, a little sneak peek of there, you can kind of peek in the corners and you can really see it. But when you're in the motion, you can see the calipers a little bit better. But yeah, I just really like this look. So if you guys are interested in it, I'll leave a link down below. Use my code John, and you'll be able to get a bigger discount. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.